Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my go-to disconnect, nature sort of less crowded, a little bit more quiet spot in Tampa, which is in Seaplane Basin Park at the south of Davis Island. So right at the bottom there. Not a lot of people know about it. It's not necessarily secret, but a lot of people just have never been here. But it's super nice because you've got this little point here and all open water right there. You've got some benches down there that a lot of people don't know about. And then you've got this walking path right here, which is super nice to bring the dogs to. And that goes all the way around. A lot of people will jog this entire thing, or they'll bring, what are those called, rollerblades or bike, stuff like that. And then you've got Peter O'Knight Airport right here, which is pretty cool. So the small planes like the Cessnas and everything will take off, and then those will be flying right above you. So having a nice picnic out here, just bring a blanket, get tan, eat some food, watch some planes take off, and take a walk. So yeah, let's go take a walk. So then another thing is there is a dog beach over there. It's called the Davis Island Dog Beach, if you want to plug that into Google. And then you've also got the Davis Island Yacht Club here as well, if you've got a boat. So a bunch of different things going on here, but at the same time nice and quiet. And if you look over here too, you do have a nice skyline of Tampa, which is pretty cool. And yeah, just an overall really nice spot. Looking for some relaxing time in Tampa, this is where I would come, get away from the crowds.